Yes, sa mga low budget dyan na nagkaroon ng gas-gas ang kanilang mga sasakyan, pwede natin gawin yan sa ating pamamaraan. So ako, andito yung sasakyan namin, nagkaroon ng gas-gas sa likod. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan dyan. Yan. Yan. So nagkagas-gas dyan sa taas. Yung ipinakita ko sa inyo. Siya ginawa ko dahil wala akong budget. Ako na lang ang gumawa. At bumili lang ako ng isang ganito. Sprayhan ko lang. Kailangan lang ay linisan mo ang bahagi ng may gas-gas. Tanggalin mo ang dumi. Kailangan paliguan mo siya. Yan, sabunan mo. Tapos rapuan mo rin ng basahan o kahit hindi na mainit naman ang panahon. Mas maganda nga yung nagpipint ka na mainit ang panahon para dikit na dikit. So ang ginawa ko is first coating pa lang yan. Yan. Lilihaan ko pa uli yan. 1 to 3 times. First coating liha, second coating liha, third coating liha, hanggang sa final. Hindi pwede na isang liha lang, kailangan 3 or more para gumapit talaga yung paint na. Yung mga walang budget lang ha. Dahil tuyo na ang first coating, pwede na natin lihain para padaanan din natin ang second coating. So tara na. Tamang-tama, mainit ang panahon.
So I'm ignorant. Who is he?
He's what you might call a specialist.
Oh, yeah? And what?
Interrogation. Torture. Oh, of course you won't be using physical torture during the test. You won't need to. That's not really his thing anyway. He works on people's minds, not their bodies. He's famous for it. Everyone knows about the head of the Yambu torture and interrogation court for the Hidden Leaf Village, BBK Moreno.
If even the rules are scary, what's the question like?
Very well then. Rule number one. Each of you is free to choose not to be given the final question. It's your decision. Say what? We're free to choose.
Whoa, so what's the catch? Let's say we decide we don't want to do it. What happens then?
If you choose not to take the 10th question, regardless of your answers to the other 9, you'll get a 0. In other words, you fail. And that means, of course, both your teammates fail as well. Some choice. But I choose to fail. Of course I'll do it then. Not so fast. You didn't let me finish.
More rules enough already.
If you do accept the question but answer incorrectly, you will not only fail, you will be barred from taking the tuning exam ever again. Hey, that's bull, man! That's ridiculous! What kind of bogus rule is that? There's lots of people here who've taken the test before. I guess you're just unlucky. I wasn't making the rules before, but I am now. Of course, if you don't want to take it, you don't have to. If you're not feeling confident, then by all means, skip it. You can come back and try again next year.
So nakita nyo na may mga kinakapakapa ko. Yun ay tinitingnan ko kung meron pang magagaspang. At saka nililiha ko para maging clean. So ngayon tapos na nating lihain. Nahugasan na. Painitan muna natin hanggang sa matuyo siya. Pagka tuyong-tuyo na, doon na muli tayo maglalagay ng ating second coating. Okay? Hello guys, hindi na natapos yung pangatlong pagliliya sa sasakyan dahil ginamit namin, pero tingnan nyo ang resulta. Yan o. Okay naman siya. Okay naman na. Pero maganda kung nagawa pa natin yung pangatlo. Kaso dahil umalis kami, kailangan ng sasakyan, kaya hininto ko na lang yung aking ginagawa ang pag-paint. So 2 beses ko lang siyang nalihaan, pero yung pag-paint ginawa kong 3 beses, pinatungan ko na lang. Yun ang nangyari sa aking ginagawa.